Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today let us see how to make chili cheese bread. For this we need white bread slices, shredded cheese, finely chopped green chilli and pepper powder. In a bowl, take cheese, pepper powder and green chilies. Mix it well. Take the bread slice and apply the cheese mixture. Now let us see couple of variations you can try according to your taste. First I am taken shredded cheese, finely cubed capsicum. Here I am using orange one, you can use any one you have, and little bit of chopped green chilies and a pinch of pepper. Mix it well. Apply on top of the bread. Let's see one more variation. Mix cheese, green chilies, pinch of pepper and grated garlic. Mix it well. Apply on top of the bread. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Arrange the bread slices in the baking sheet and bake it for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, cheese has melted completely and broil it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now chili cheese bread is ready. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.